Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select receive on an Android and send on Samsung. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and send them. Now click on Got it in the pop-up and from here we have two connection ways. We can input this password over here and then simply click on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!